Yeah! He puts a thing in his mouth.
It's funny when the camera's shaking too.
Yeah.
You're this that's loose.
We're almost there. Right down the road. One park here.
Yeah. Those guys rule. I'm gonna just ball them up.
Man, looking.
This is nice. Oh, the bugs are not there. I wish that rail wasn't there and those two, whatever those are.
You want to put them over
Set
there?
our bikes right there.
You want to?
It's just these things. I mean, we could probably cover them up with our bike. Yeah.
You want to? Oh. What are they gonna do? Arrest us?
I've never been here in my life.
Never? That's where Tom took me that one time. What? I don't give a fuck.
I know.
Arrest me. Put me in cuffs. I did, for real. I gotta throw it up on the gram. Yo, your exhaust is getting gold.
I know, it looks good.
That shit's tough. Ugh.
That's one reason I didn't even know it really did that until the dude explained that on the video.
Yeah. Dude, you're fucking...
Excuse me.
Hold on. I took a picture of that. I was like, oh.
Excuse me.
Bitch.
It just starts rolling.
Dude, I'd fucking kill
I
myself.
would drop my bike to catch yours.
I'd throw that shit up on my shoulder. Yeah.
Ooh, you come over here.
You got one?
I'm just gonna have to try not to get that black post in there.
No, I won't.
You can even get. Yeah. These are gonna be good. This is gonna be a good white wallpaper for my phone.
Oh shit!
Be careful. There's a lot of metal things you could die on.
If I was barefoot, my foot would be gone.
Damn.
Don't move, don't move. Keep looking out in the distance. Get on this peg. Get on this one here. Yeah. Do the same position. Hold on, I want to try to get the other peg out of the way.
I could even pose.
Hold on.
I could give it all to you. Give me something real before you.